morning, friends. I'm Dr. Shashank Kabra and I'm working as consultant radiologist at Camberwell Diagnostic and Medical Research Center, Jaipur, Rajasthan. So ours is a 35-year-old premier institute, and we have always strived to give the best of the best pathology and radiological services to our patients. Our business association with GE is from day one, and from a long time I was looking forward to a mammography upgrade which is compatible with my existing analog machine. So GE gave me this perfect solution which is almost as good as a DR, and what surprised me was it has 70 micron pixel size and consumes very less time of the patients, almost pain free. So I asked them to run a free demonstration for myself, and we did almost 12 to 15 patients, and I was quite impressed with the results. So it really helped us to pick smallest of the lesions and just make sure we do not miss any. And this product M-DUK is highly recommended for doctors and centers who are using existing analog machines with the resolution as compared to a DR, and without that unnecessary financial burden. With this, we wish to extend this wonderful radiological service to all our patients, especially women above 40 years of age, so that we can control this rising breast cancer cases and treat them in time. Thank you.